Learn to write. Writing is fun. In English, we have 4 lines to write on. First line is skyline. Second line is fence line. The third line is grass line. The fourth line is fruit line. Today we are going to learn the formation of letter G. First we will learn the formation of small g. Put your pencil on the fence line. Make a semicircle and touch the grass line. Now go up and touch the fence line again. Now come down straight and touch the root line. Make a loop. Try again, kids.
No. Let's go play house. Let's go play house.
Well done, you did great. Now we will learn the formation of capital G. Put your pencil on the skyline. Make a semicircle and touch the grass line. Now go up and touch the fence line. Now come down straight and touch the grass line. Try again, kids. Well done, you did great. Thank you for listening.
Subscribe for more videos by EY Teaching Resources.